So this touchless Phantom is pretty neat because unlike a lot of devices out there, they work by proximity, by mapping the buttons. And the other thing is it does not activate unless you have a finger or point right at the button itself. So if you put a grocery bag or you lean against the buttons, they don't activate. It's about knuckle deep. I'd say that's about 3/4 of an inch deep. And it does not affect all the buttons. So for example, door open, door close buttons, they don't activate with this, and same thing with the phone. So the size of the stick is pretty standard, and that's why it's covering the whole area. But it's actually very concentrated, and it works only over the actual push buttons. So that's what makes it neat, is that the ability to pinpoint where the button is, and by doing that, you do not activate the button unless you actually hit the button. So this touchless approach is better than the radar, what I call radar sensors, where if you lean your body against it, it activates the whole system. So that's what makes it special and unique, and that's why I think it's much more effective than the traditional systems that you see out there. The one thing to look out for is to make sure that the button cover is good, the engagement is good. It's a pretty attractive. It's not too bad to look at all, and it does work, which is a bonus, because at the end of the day, you want to install a system that works. It wires into any system, any elevator. This is a Dupar fixture that Matt was able to integrate, which is good.